Hi, it's Mamaw, and welcome to my porch. Well, I just want to say we need to get back to tracing the money. So, when you follow the money and everybody's all excited and talking about all these great tax cuts we're going to get, well, really, we're not. Because what one hand giveth, the other hand's going to more than take away. And what I really appreciate is that the Ohio State Legislature seems to think we're all morons. Now, Mamaw might be old, and I might live in a rural community, but 2 and 2 still equals 4 any way you look at it. I mean, I don't care what you do, what kind of calculus, what kind of funny shenanigans, 2 and 2 equals 4. So I got to doing some research, and for those of you who live out of the state of Ohio and your states participate in gambling and lottery, I suggest you do a deep dive because this is what I discovered. Of the casinos that we have, 51% of the casino money goes back to one of our 88 counties based on population. 34% goes to public schools based on population. 5% goes to the cities that house the casinos. 3% goes to the casino commission. 3% goes to the racing commission. 2% goes to law enforcement training, and 2%, only 2%, goes to gambling and substance abuse addiction. In sports betting, 98%, they tout, goes to education, but specifically athletic funds. Because you got to give the gamblers and the addicts something to bet on, because now you can bet on high school sports. 2% goes to addiction treatment, and then 0.5% of the licensing fees goes for veterans. On the lotteries that we all play, 100% goes to schools. Caveat. After expenses, which are salaries, sales, TV shows, and the General Assembly and the Ohio Department of Education determine how that money is going to go towards education. And if they give it to them for general expenses, they take away the equal amount that's in that general operating fund. So it's a zero-sum game unless they do it as a grant. So there you have it. Bless their hearts. Mamaw's on the job. Stay salty and use your outside voice.